What's up, YouTube? Today we have a pair of Nike Dunk High LRs, and as you can see, these things are cooked. Stains on the suede, gunk and grime on the midsoles, just trash. And in this tutorial, you will learn how to properly give these sneakers a deep clean, you will learn stain removal for suede, you will learn how to rejuvenate the suede, and you will also learn how to get the unyellowing out of the midsoles. And this video will start right now.
Okay guys, the first thing I like to do is check the sneaker for permanent damages, such as burns, cuts, super deep scratches, and the reason behind this is you don't want to waste your time restoring a sneaker that just can't physically be fixed. The next step will be to insert the shoe trees. If you don't own a pair of shoe trees, that is perfectly okay. You could use rags, socks, bags, whatever it is that you have at your disposal. This is a suede eraser. You want to apply the suede eraser to all the deep stain affected suede areas in a back and forth motion. Now the brush here is just a standard brush, and you want to brush off all the residue that the eraser is going to have once you start applying it. Now guys, this is the most important step when it comes down to stain removal on suede. If you skip this step or don't execute this step properly, you will not get the results that you're looking for. And I promise you, you will be disappointed with the end results once it's all said and done. The next step in this restoration, that's right, toothpicks. They're cheap, they're so effective, they get through every nook and cranny on the soles, and honestly, I love these things. They're perfect for the pre-treatment just before the wash. Now that the pre-treatment is done, the next step is the wash. We're going to start with the soft bristle brush. We use this brush because it's safe for suede, it produces the most suds and breaks down the most dirt. Now let's get into this restoration. The next brush is the medium bristle brush. The last brush we'll be using, the brass bristle brush. Alright guys, the next step is the sneaker laundry bag. Now this is optional. If you don't own a sneaker laundry bag, you can just rinse and repeat the same step of the wash. But for the deep cleaning, this is definitely necessary. Cause without putting your sneakers in the wash, these stains just won't get out. With that being said, let's go to the laundry room. supplies you're gonna need are plastic wrap. You're also gonna need a pair of gloves. Make sure that you have this for safety. You're gonna need a bleaching agent. We're using Salon Care 40, and you're gonna need a brush to apply the bleaching agent.
The first thing you want to do when unyellowing sneakers is put on safety gloves. Now remember guys, this is a chemical and it can and will harm your skin if you leave it on for too long. Trust me, it has happened to me. Okay guys, grab your bleaching agent. As I said before, we're using Salon Care 40, but there's other options such as Soul Sauce, Icy Soul, and Fob Sauce. We're using Salon Care 40 because it's cheap and effective. Now, what you want to do is apply a generous amount of bleaching agent. I mean, like, plop that shit on there. The more, the better. Trust me. Once you have applied your bleaching agent, grab your sheet of saran wrap and gently but firmly place and press your saran wrap around your sneaker and form it the way that you want it. If your saran wrap is ready, let's get these sneakers outside in the sun. Alright guys, for the next step, you're gonna need mink oil. You're also gonna need a soft brush to spread the mink oil evenly. How you want to use this product is you want to spray even coats throughout the sneaker. And don't worry about getting it everywhere as it conditions leather as well as it does suede. Once you sprayed even coats of mink oil, brush in the mink oil in one direction and one direction only throughout the whole sneaker. You basically continue this process until you get the desired effect that you're looking for personally. Hey guys, if you learned anything so far from this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, as it will help me produce more videos and more content for you guys. But anyways YouTube, let's check how these bad boys turned out.